Hi dearest, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a stunning new trend in the world of fascinators. This gorgeous satellite fascinator design. These designs were made by the incredibly talented Vix Crown, so I want to give her full credit of this masterpiece. I stumbled on it and just had to show it to you. Now let's get straight to it. The base of this fascinator, are you thinking it was made? Nah, it wasn't something made from scratch. It was actually purchased, and I'll be showing you the different types of base used in such designs like this. This time I will change my quote from keep watching and learning to keep watching and be inspired. Now, isn't this just so elegant? And this crown makes it look so elegant with the lovely way she designs it, very unique. Now take a look at these. Aren't they just gorgeous? Yes, here are the fascinator base that you can make use to get such wonderful, unique and trending satellite fascinator design. So hop on and enjoy this trend before it goes off and make unique fascinators that will cause your client to stand out wherever they go. You can find the contact detail of the person that supplies the fascinator base in the description of this video. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do give me a thumbs up. As you make your designs, please to post them in the Craft Academy to inspire others. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. See you next time.